In today's fast-paced digital world, the possibilities to turn your talents into income are more abundant than ever. This video is here to inspire you, whether you're a creative professional, a freelancer, an educator, or someone eager to transform their passion into profit. It's all about unlocking your earning potential. The days of earning a living through a traditional 9-to-5 job are behind us. Thanks to the emergence of online platforms, global connectivity, and innovative tools, individuals have incredible opportunities to share their expertise, connect with a wider audience, and create sustainable income, all from the comfort of their own home. In this video, we'll discover 8 exciting ways to monetize your skills, including freelancing, creating digital products, teaching online, and licensing your work. Every method is designed to empower you to utilize your existing knowledge and transform it into a successful opportunity. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to enhance your current efforts, these strategies will provide you with practical steps to seize control of your financial future. Get excited to explore how you can transform your passion and expertise into a rewarding income? Keep watching. Let's jump in and begin creating your ideal career right now. 1. Provide freelance services. Freelancing offers a fantastic opportunity to easily and flexibly turn your skills into income. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal, and Freelancer bring together skilled professionals and clients looking for specialized expertise. Freelancing offers an exciting opportunity for graphic designers, content writers, web developers, and marketing strategists to transform their skills into a reliable source of income. Begin by crafting an engaging profile that showcases your talents, background, and portfolio. Be sure to showcase clear and competitive pricing for your services, and don't forget to include any client testimonials or reviews you may have. Numerous platforms feature built-in rating systems that can assist you in establishing credibility as time goes on. One of the wonderful benefits of freelancing is the opportunity to select projects that resonate with your passions and skills. This flexibility empowers you to enjoy a harmonious work-life balance while engaging in fulfilling work. By concentrating on delivering exceptional results and adhering to deadlines, you will naturally attract repeat business and referrals. Freelancing is a fantastic way to earn income while also opening doors to expand your professional network, enhance your personal brand, and enrich your experience. As you grow, you can move towards higher-paying clients and expand your services to reach financial stability. 2. Develop exciting online courses or workshops. Creating online courses or workshops is a fantastic opportunity to share your specialized knowledge or skills and turn them into a rewarding venture. Platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Coursera provide an incredible opportunity to connect with a worldwide audience that is enthusiastic about learning. From technical skills such as coding or graphic design to soft skills like communication or time management, there's an exciting opportunity for almost every subject. Begin by discovering a subject where your knowledge shines and that people are eager to learn about. Explore your target audience to discover their challenges and preferred ways of learning. After defining your course structure, focus on creating engaging content that features videos, worksheets, quizzes, and other interactive elements to enrich the learning experience. Workshops present a fantastic opportunity to share your knowledge in a hands-on and personalized manner. These can be conducted virtually through platforms like Zoom or in person for local participants, providing great flexibility and connection opportunities. Workshops provide an exciting opportunity for real-time interaction, enabling participants to acquire valuable insights and skills in a dynamic environment. Creating online courses and workshops offers a fantastic opportunity for passive income, while also positioning you as a respected authority in your field. As your courses gain traction and receive positive reviews, you'll be able to attract more students and see your earnings grow over time. 3. Offer digital products for sale. Selling digital products offers an exciting opportunity to grow and profit from your skills. Digital goods stand out because they eliminate the need for inventory and shipping, which makes them both cost-effective and a breeze to distribute. There are so many exciting options available, such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, videos, printables, design assets, and software tools. To get started, consider the exciting possibilities of creating a digital product that showcases your expertise. If you're a graphic designer, consider creating customizable templates for business cards, social media posts, or resumes. Writers have the exciting opportunity to create ebooks or guides, and photographers can thrive by selling stock images or Lightroom presets. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Creative Market are fantastic marketplaces for selling digital products. Setting up your own e-commerce website is an exciting opportunity with tools like Shopify or WordPress at your fingertips. Make sure your digital products shine with high quality and effectively address the unique challenges faced by your target audience. When your product is ready, embrace the exciting journey of marketing. Leverage social media, email campaigns, and collaborations to share the message far and wide. Providing free samples or discounts is a fantastic way to draw in buyers and foster trust. Selling digital products opens up exciting opportunities for passive income and helps you connect with a wider audience. As you develop more products and expand your audience, your digital storefront has the potential to become a dependable source of revenue. 4. Launch a blog or YouTube channel. Blogging and YouTube are amazing platforms for transforming your knowledge into income. Both provide wonderful opportunities to build an audience, share your expertise, and monetize your content through various revenue streams. Starting a blog is an exciting journey that begins with selecting a niche you truly love and that has a vibrant community ready to engage. Creating valuable content consistently is a wonderful way to build traffic, whether it's in personal finance, cooking, travel, or tech tutorials. When your blog starts to draw in visitors, there are exciting opportunities to monetize it through ads, like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products and services. YouTube is a fantastic platform for visual learners. This opens up exciting opportunities to create video content on related topics and connect with a larger audience. There are exciting monetization options on YouTube, such as ad revenue, channel memberships, super chats, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Success in blogging and YouTube comes from maintaining consistency and fostering engagement. Engage with comments, craft shareable content, and prioritize the organic growth of your audience. As your blog or channel grows in authority, exciting earning opportunities will come your way. These platforms provide fantastic financial rewards, while also allowing you to build a personal brand, connect with a global audience, and establish yourself as an industry leader. 5. Embrace the opportunity to become a consultant or coach. Consulting and coaching offer fantastic opportunities to turn your skills into a rewarding venture while empowering others to reach their aspirations. Regardless of whether your focus is on business strategy, career development, fitness, or life coaching, there is a strong willingness among people to invest in expert guidance. To get started, discover the specific area where you can shine and make a difference. Clearly define your niche and develop a plan for how you'll assist clients in overcoming challenges or reaching their goals. Creating a vibrant online presence through LinkedIn, a personal website, or social media platforms is essential for drawing in potential clients. Creating a structured coaching or consulting program can enhance the professionalism and value of your services. For instance, provide one-on-one sessions, group workshops, or ongoing mentorship programs designed to meet your clients' needs. To enhance credibility, share testimonials, case studies, or success stories from previous clients that highlight positive experiences. As a coach or consultant, strong communication skills and a genuine sense of empathy are essential. Embrace your clients' concerns, offer practical advice, and check in to celebrate their progress. Charging premium rates becomes achievable when you consistently deliver results and position yourself as a trusted expert in your field. Consulting and coaching present a wonderful opportunity for a rewarding income while also allowing you to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. 6. Share your work with a license. Licensing your work opens up exciting opportunities to earn money consistently without the need to create new content each time. As an artist, musician, writer, or photographer, licensing your creations to businesses or individuals opens up exciting opportunities to monetize your talents. Photographers and visual artists can take advantage of platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy to showcase their work and earn royalties each time someone downloads or uses their images. Musicians have the exciting opportunity to license their tracks for commercials, movies, or video games through platforms like Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound. Writers have the exciting opportunity to license articles, scripts, or content for publications or businesses. To thrive in licensing, concentrate on developing exceptional, adaptable content that resonates with a wide range of viewers. For instance, Stock photos of business settings, nature, or everyday life are incredibly sought after. In a similar vein, lively or atmospheric music tracks shine in advertising and media production. Once your portfolio is online, make it a breeze for potential buyers to find your amazing work. Keep your content fresh and engaging, and think about teaming up with other professionals to broaden your audience. Licensing offers an exciting opportunity to create passive income and share your work with a global audience, as it gets utilized in diverse projects around the world. 7. Create an exciting subscription-based service. Subscription-based models offer a fantastic opportunity to generate ongoing revenue from your talents. This model is a fantastic fit for professionals who can provide continuous value through exclusive content, tools, or services. As a fitness coach, you have the exciting opportunity to create a membership platform that offers workout plans, meal ideas, and live Quanda sessions. Writers and content creators have exciting opportunities with platforms like Patreon or Substack to share premium articles, behind-the-scenes updates, or early access to their work. Musicians and artists have the wonderful opportunity to share exclusive tracks, tutorials, or personalized creations with their subscribers. To thrive, concentrate on creating a vibrant community around your subscription service. Connect with your audience consistently by sharing exciting new content, engaging with members, and embracing their feedback. Providing tiered memberships can wonderfully draw in a varied audience and enhance your earnings potential. Sharing your service through social media, email newsletters, and teaming up with influencers can wonderfully expand your subscriber base. Moreover, offering free or discounted trials can inspire individuals to join and discover the incredible value you provide. Subscription-based services bring financial stability and create wonderful opportunities for deeper connections with your audience. With consistent effort, your subscription model has the potential to evolve into a dependable and scalable income stream. 8. Share knowledge through live streaming or webinars. Live streaming and webinars offer exciting and dynamic opportunities to showcase your expertise while turning your skills into a source of income. Platforms such as Zoom, YouTube Live, Twitch, or Microsoft Teams enable you to connect with audiences in real time, providing a more personal and immediate learning experience. If you have expertise in a specific area, think about hosting webinars or live classes to share knowledge on topics that truly connect with your audience. For instance, a graphic designer could host an engaging live session on logo design, and a fitness instructor might inspire participants with dynamic virtual workout classes. These sessions offer a variety of choices, including free or paid options, along with opportunities for donations, tips, or ticketed access. Share your live events ahead of time using social media, email newsletters, or by teaming up with other professionals. Engaging visuals, countdowns, and exclusive content can create excitement and boost attendance. During the session, incorporate interactive elements such as Quanda segments, polls, or live chats to enhance participant engagement. Providing recordings of your sessions as a premium product opens up exciting opportunities for additional income streams. As you grow your follower base and establish your reputation, you'll have the opportunity to increase your rates for your expertise and draw in exciting sponsorships or partnerships. Live streaming and webinars offer exciting financial opportunities while enabling you to connect directly with your audience, building trust and loyalty along the way.